Whew. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. As the usual, we usually go into analyzing the markets. Let's just analyze the markets and see what we can see for today. I'm looking at the markets. I'm looking at the markets right now. Looking at the markets. The market did push up with Euro USD yesterday, so I'm expecting also a push up today, but it should retrace, and so after retracing down to this point to 1.087645 should be able to get a trade there. I believe it's just gonna take out a bit of the low there down, then starts to pick up again to the upside. That's what I'm looking at. This is the 15 minutes chart. Already analyzed it, so basically I'm expecting a push up again, then take out of liquidity at the top, also making a bit of a higher high there. That's my TP. So basically that's what I'm looking at for today, so hoping that all goes well. That's one of the trades I'm looking at. But one of the other trades I'm looking at is gold. Let's go to gold. Okay, gold, it's stuck in a range at the moment. Yesterday it did break outside of the range, then I was hoping for it to continue to the sell side, but it did not continue. It took me out, so it seems to be back inside the range. So I'm expecting that it will retrace to the point where before the break of the range and inside back there, then it will continue to the upside and break the range again a bit, just to take out the last high of the range. Yes, then continue. Maybe it might continue up or come inside back into the range again, but we'll see what happens, but that's what we are looking at. But for me, both are buying opportunities for me. So let's see. We're hoping for the best. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So far we are 3% down on the account, but we haven't lost hope or anything. We believe that we are going to do exceptionally well without any doubt. But even if we don't do well, at the end of the day, we would have learned something from this whole challenge, right? Losses are also part of the game. Don't feel bad if you see yourself taking losses, right? Don't feel bad. It's part of the game. The most important is trying to keep a clear-headed mind while trading. That's the most important part. You see what I love about trading? Trading has a way of changing how you think. It's not just about the money or anything, but it's also about who you become when you start trading. That's one of the other important factors of trading, right? Who you become, right? We will still be persistent, resilient, regardless what happens in this. If we fail this challenge, we are going to buy another challenge again and see what we can do. If not, we'll do something. We have to make it in this. We have to make it in this whole game of trading, guys. Thank you for listening. I'll keep you updated. Yeah, guys. As you can see, the challenge didn't go as well as planned, guys. Yeah, we took some losses. So let's review our losses and see what really happened, right? let's review what really happened. Going into our losses. Obviously, the first 3 trades we took some few losses. We took some losses, guys. So, what happened that day is that I ended up revenge trading. I ended up revenge trading. That was bad from my side, which I should have not actually. I should have just took the loss and moved on. But I kept looking at the market, which I broke one of my rules that I'm actually supposed to take 1 trade and I'm out for the day. But basically, I messed up, guys. I messed up. But it's not over. It's not over yet. I'm still hoping to get another challenge. But I'm taking a bit of time to reflect on what happened in this trade, basically. But what I saw is that I took a loss on, as I was saying, right? I took 3 losses, right? As you can see, the first loss was the buy on euro, which I entered early, which was my mistake. Then I waited for another entry. It was still an early entry. I shifted, thought I saw another buy on GBP USD. I entered, but basically I was just revenge trading. When I just looked over my trade, I looked and I started sitting down and thinking to myself, say, so basically I feel like the market is actually something that it actually exposes what is really happening inside of you, right? And if you haven't dealt with certain things like being risk averse and certain things within yourself, you're going to find it difficult really trading. It's honestly, it goes beyond the strategy. Being honest with you, it goes beyond the strategy, because at the end of the day, if the person who is trading the strategy is affected in their mind, they automatically cannot execute the trading strategy correctly, right? Because of already their mind is affected. So trying to keep a clear mind is really important in trading for me, right? I think I learned a big lesson in this. One of the things I've come to see is that you need to really be very conscious of what's going on in your mind. You need to be really conscious what's going on in your mind when you are trading, right? But what I can tell you is that I'm far from giving up. I can't give up now. I would not give up now. I ain't giving up. It's not possible for me to give up. I'm definitely going to succeed. Maybe I might give up maybe after achieving success in trading, but I will not give up. No matter how long it's going to take me, but I'm not giving up. That's the most thing that I have kept for myself for now. And I believe that this video would show you that losses are part of the game. You're not the only person going through losses out there. But if you have something to say to me, encouraging words out there, something positive, or maybe you saw some mistakes that I did while you're looking at the videos and so on, comment, tell me
what you liked, what you didn't like, and so on, or what you saw that there was a mistake and so on. Thank you for watching. Until the next video.